Hi everyone, and welcome to day 18 of the challenge. I'm going to have everyone come to the top of their mat today. So you can either take hatha, hip width apart, with your feet, or ashtanga, toes and mounds together, small space between the heels. Close the eyes and lengthen through the spine. Turn the palms to the front so your shoulders plug, and draw the belly in. And then inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, exhale, ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And again, inhale and exhale. And then this time, inhale through the nose. Begin exhaling through the mouth, closing the mouth, creating the same sound through the nose. One more, inhale. Begin through the mouth, close the mouth. And then just take a couple breaths in and out through the nose. Keeping the core strong. And on the next inhale, take the arms up to the sky. Gently look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, right followed by left. Knees, chin, and chest all the way to the belly. Inhale, nice big cobra. Exhale, down dog. Take the right foot followed by the left all the way forward. Inhale, half lift. Fold, exhale. All the way up, inhale, hands to heart center, exhale, and again. Inhale, arms up, forward fold, exhale. Inhale, half lift, left foot followed by right. Again, you can lower the knees or not, all the way to the belly. Inhale, nice big cobra. Down dog, exhale. Left foot followed by right, all the way forward. Inhale, half lift. Fold, exhale, all the way up, inhale, hands to heart center, exhale, chair pose, inhale. And on the exhale, you're going to take the fingertips forward. On the inhale, you're going to open, right arm toward the back, staying here. Sink a little deeper through the knees, draw the belly in, reach through the fingertips, try and look at that back thumb. Last breath, other side. Again, follow the gaze to the back thumb, squaring the knees and the hips to the front. Sink a little deeper through the knees, draw the belly in. Last breath. Back to center. Inhale, straighten up, forward fold, exhale. Half lift, inhale, step the right leg back. Keep the right hand planted, open, wide angle, forward fold. Left fingers to the sky, back leg is strong. So you can even come up to nice strong fingertips, pressing through that front foot. Take the left hand down, side angle. Right arm opens, drop the back heel. Stay again with the breath, in and out with the nose. Good. Reverse warrior, inhale, left fingertips to the sky. Warrior 2, exhale. Warrior 1, inhale. Plant the hands, step it back to three-legged dog. Inhale forward to three-legged plank, and exhale back to three-legged dog. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Come and stay, and breath of fire. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale. Three-legged dog, exhale. Left foot all the way forward between the hands, followed by the right. Half lift, exhale, fold. All the way up, inhale. Hands to heart center, exhale. Chair pose, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Half lift, inhale. Left leg back, left hand stays down, right arm opens to the sky, revolve side angle. If you can come up to strong fingertips on that bottom hand, do so. Back leg is nice and strong. Stay with your breath. 2. Good. Last one. Take the right hand to the inside of the foot. Plant the back heel. Open left arm to the sky. Side angle pose. Nice and deep into that front knee. Gentle on the fingertips on the floor. Again, stay with the breath or come back to it. Stay for this. Exhale. Revolve or reverse warrior. Inhale. Warrior 2. Exhale. Warrior 1. Inhale. Plant the hands. Three-legged dog. Inhale forward to three-legged plank. Exhale back. Three-legged dog. Again, coming forward. Inhale. Three-legged dog. Exhale. Come forward this time and stay. 10. Breath of fire. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale fully. Exhale back to three-legged dog and release. Release the knees to the floor. Press back into child's pose. Again, we'll take a break here. You can pause if you'd like to take your inversion practice or your finishing sequence. Come back to the breath otherwise. And come to seated. This time coming into butterfly pose. So soles of the feet together. Knees to the side. Peace fingers bind onto the big toes, and we're just going to fly our butterfly. Stay nice and long through the crown of the head. Draw the knees down and let them pop back up. Last breath. And then we're going to come to second position. So whether you bring the feet forward or the hips back, take an inhale breath, and on the exhale, just let everything round forward, let the head go. I'm going to keep my head lifted. It's just very difficult to talk with my head down. So let everything go. Let everything become nice and heavy. Let the chin fall to the chest. Bring softness to the face. Space between the teeth. And allow the tongue away from the top of the mouth. Two more breaths. And slowly pressing yourself all the way back up with the hands. Extend the legs forward. Gentle engagement in the legs. Take the arms out. Plug the shoulders. Inhale. We're going to lower down nice and slow with control for hopefully a count of 10. We should be about 7. Tuck the tailbone. Trying to let one vertebrae down at a time. And release. Draw the knees into the chest. This time we're going to cross the left over the right and let both legs down to the left. Look over or down to the right, over to the left. Let everything be heavy. Two more. And then when you're ready, come back through center. We'll come over to the other side. Crossing the knee over. If you ended up doing the left side first on the first side, just do the right side this time. Turning the head away from the knees. Closing the eyes and coming back to the breath. And with each exhale, letting go of any amount of tension you might still be holding on to. Two more. And then bring the knees back to center. Give them one last hug. And then when you're ready, extending the legs, coming into Shavasana. Closing the eyes, releasing the Ujjayi breath. Just coming to a nice, gentle belly breath. Soft to the face. Taking space between the teeth and allowing the tongue away from the top of the mouth. And just begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing the movement to the hands and the feet. One at a time, drawing the knees into the chest, gently rocking side to side. And coming over onto the right side. And pressing yourself up into a comfortable seated position. We're going to take square breathing today. So I just want you to take a moment and take a couple of breaths and count the length of your inhale and exhale. Make sure the breath is nice and comfortable. It's not a competition. Just nice, comfortable inhale and exhale, and take the average of those numbers. And that's what you're going to do. So you're going to inhale for that count. So if it's 3, 4, 5, you're going to inhale for 3, hold the breath in for 3, exhale for 3, hold the breath out for 3, creating a square. Take an inhale breath followed by an exhale. And begin. Last one. Releasing hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.